Alright.
That way, when if I have another person.
This the one right here, boy. I've been waiting to see this one for so long. What up, homie? This you right here? Big dog. Still got your hat, brother. Yeah, from the Wade show. King Customs, St. Louis out there, big. That's right. Town in the building. Spokes. Spokes. Yeah, this one too. Those spokes.
Get my Benny Hondas on. For the bread, I just smell money, niggas just right. I recollect. Hands on, Jesus really counted them shit. Let's get it. I'm the author of the book. Yeah, genius. I seen it all. Every gram, every bird. I spit the truth every now and then.
Gotta come outside, go. Ain't coming outside, go. God knows I'm stepping down with later. Until it hurts and
Gotta do this walkthrough later on. Right now, I'm finna try and see the crown jewels.
Let my tent to B12. Double check the details. Gotta cross my T's and dot my I's.
Oh wow, they brought this. Oh boy.
So that way the poles won't get damaged.
Buckets with the OG look. Wood grain dash, gold bezels, custom air vents.
All right.
Of course you gotta have it.
Start wiping under the car.
I'm gonna put this.
Had to have the gold D's.
Radio check. Let me know when you gotta go down and start.
Well, let's get a mirror.
There's a box of mirrors in the corner over there.
Right there in that box.
Yeah, see, I'm all in the way while they trying to get ready. Oh no, you good. I'm in the way. I'm in the way. I just gotta catch this before it get too crazy. I didn't even realize that was wood grain and it light up.
We're looking clean, huh?
Most people will leave that connector black.
Yeah. I know. I'm sorry, man. We'll do it next time, black.
Next time black. Oh, that bitch came out nice, man.
Oh my goodness, this car. I didn't even realize that.
Like one thing that told Flaco was a boot from us and send me the information. He didn't send it to me. Then when I posted it the other day, he's like,
Alright, so this the baddest Grand National on the planet. Y'all already know. Everything custom. Shout out to Gas Boys.
Don't fuck that one. I'll leave it up for the display. We be patient.
What's up, mama? We got those two.
Bad. Just look at these freaking.
I'll get you one later and we'll get one.
I need some damn sunscreen out here, boy. It is super hot. Tell me. Too hot, buddy. So, we're gonna look at this real quick. LS, but like an old school. Talking about, look how wet. How do they get stuff looking this wet, bro? And then this is flat cover. Look how wet that is. Oh wow. Start getting a little breeze.
This bitch on the corner, dog, we got problems, right? Cause I'm gonna feel bad as fuck, and my girl ain't gonna listen to me. We're talking about we gotta fix that. Fuck that. That's car show. I'm not putting the stand there. Yeah, it's gonna fucking hit that truck, bro. Or hell no.
Yeah, they definitely did park him too
Yeah,
close.
too close.
I was about to say they're gonna keep all this shit like this.
Yeah,
I mean, if anything, he got back. I mean, if those two guys get.
That's what's in the tent right now. Wanna help him? See, we'll get Shady quicker.
I thought you wasn't coming.
Ready, I need a job.
That box.
On the scene, built by your family, getting his 20 whips lined up. Twins out.
That's right. No, I'm breaking the rules, so I understand. Yeah, but treat this.
Let me find out when some of you niggas showing money, this was already be showing.
Top 5 shit.
Yeah, hell yeah.
My boy.
Yes, sir. What's up, bro?
Where we park at the, oh yeah, we talking about the budget. Where you coming with the parking lot?